Oh my God, we knew he'd come with something. Wow.
Hello.
It's like,
How are you all doing?
oh yeah, very nice, very nice. All right, we have our last part of first session of ZK Hack. Oh, yeah, we're getting actions. ZK Hack. Bobbin, thanks so much for the talks. You're free now. I'll let you about your day. Awesome. Okay, so I'm going to now bring up our last slides. We're almost there, and we're about to announce the. Let me just pull this up. Oop, I did not set it up right. We're about to put together the puzzles. We're basically going to announce the puzzles. Just give me one quick second to just get myself set up. And this should now give me the option that I'm looking for. Yes. All right. Screen. I think so. Very nice. Okay, so yeah, this sort of concludes ZK Hack Mini, the first edition of the mini version. I have Kobi here as a star to tell us a little bit about the upcoming puzzle. We're calling it, so the numbering is M1, M2 around. The name of this, there's something there. So Kobi, tell us a little bit about what to expect on the puzzle this time around.
Sure. So I think you've all been watching Bobbin's sessions, and you've learned, for those of you that have seen Starks for the first time, that Starks use air to represent their circuit, or let's say their programs. And this puzzle is based on Winterfell, and what you're going to be seeing here is an interesting air program that has a problem that you will need to exploit. And yeah, all the details, of course, will follow in the repo itself. I think I should also give you all of the general guidelines that we usually. But maybe, before that, I'm just very, very excited to be doing this again. Like, I'm very excited for this new ZK hack and to do more puzzles and to even try something new with another platform. So that's really cool. Yeah, so the general guidelines. As before, the way to submit solutions is going to be using the forms that we have. One very important thing, do not clone the repo, because if you clone the repo, not clone, I mean do not fork the repo, because if you fork it on GitHub, it becomes public and then everyone will see your solution. So do not do that. Instead, what you should do is you should use the form to submit a GIST or to send us a link to a private repo and invite me to it. And yeah, when we finish this session in 2 or 3 minutes, I will post the puzzle link and we will put it both on the site and on the Discord chat, also on this chat. So that's about it.
Cool. And maybe on this, the prize sponsor for this puzzle is Alio. And as we mentioned at the beginning, the builder of this puzzle is Polygon. So yeah, big thanks to both of those projects for, Polygon for building it and Alio for supporting it with the prize. Things to, which is next. Oh, this is about the prizes. So yeah, it's top 3 who actually get the prizes. And there's also cool gifts and things that we have planned for at the end, like the 2 puzzles. We'll be giving out some prizes to folks who actually. I do want to know about next week's session. So next week's session, we are actually diving into Polygon Zero and Polygon Hermes. I think we can already share the link. Do sign up today. We're going to be making lots of noise about it over the coming week. And that will be where we announce winners and also hear from these great teams as well. I do want to just remind everybody once again, in case you missed it the first time, we are doing an in-person Privacy and Cosmos event on April 15th. This is the ZKValidator that's doing that. And we're bringing back the ZK Summit. So for anyone who's been before. It's a really, really great, I mean, it's my event, but it's really, really great. I think it's fair to say. It's a community event. There's lots of great research shared together the Z community in a way. And we're returning again for an in-person event on April 20th. Both of these. Just a reminder, if you have a project and you're looking for early stage funding, over to Gitcoin, create a grant, part of the ZK round. It's going to be a CLR matching round starting on March 9th. You should do that as soon as you can because it actually takes a bit of time for them to process your grant to get into the round. So yeah, do head over soon. You can already grant us and it starts on. Cool. I think that's it. Thanks everybody for coming down. ZK Hack Mini.
And the puzzle is now live.
Woohoo! We will share. Very nice. Okay. Bye, everybody. See you next week.
Bye-bye.